So I noticed in the English spoken electroculture community there is often talking about some spirals, some wires, but electroculture is a chance to understand our connection to the nature if we change it from a single technical aspect to a holistic point of view to understand how everything is connected. Because if you create an environment where nature can heal, where the soil can heal, then you will be gifted by nature with its best, what it can bring out for you, your fruits, your vegetables. And of course we also have webinaries where we explain that I made in English and German with my dear friend Andrea Donnelly from Italy. And so you are invited to follow that and to see and to learn this holistic point of view of electroculture, because at the end of the day, change the behavior to see nature as a partner, as a friend, where we all, human beings, are part of it. And it's not about my cabbage, my tomatoes. It's more to see the whole thing, to heal it. And then nature will respond. And electroculture itself keeps an invitation for you to understand your position, your connection, that you are part of the nature itself. It's the same thing, you know. And so at this point, I think for us, for the nature, for Mother Earth, it's the right time to act different, to act in a new way, not on the surface of the planet, so as a partner of the planet, as a part of it. If you like to understand more of this, what I'm talking about, follow for more, and we will join together, because this is also the right time now that the human beings connecting over frontiers, over continents, to get united. So please subscribe and follow for more. See you soon. Have a good time. Bye.